Let me open this up. Comes with an Insta360 64 gigs. And again, is now is the Insta360 memory card, which if you look in the website, it tells you that either going to be this or a different card, but they don't give you the choice on what to pick. So again, you have the memory card right there, which is great. I'm actually kind of excited about this. And here it is. Wow. Just like everybody was saying, or a lot of people were saying, when you grab it, it does feel like great quality. It feels really, really nice. Like it feels like a decent quality. So again, you know, it looks really good. It looks like good quality. It looks solid. It looks like it could take a hit just by touching it. It doesn't feel cheap at all. It looks pretty decent. So, all right. So you have the camera here, the Insta360 X2. Kind of give you a close up right there. Really nice. So it's going to allow me to record 360 degrees, obviously. Let's see what else comes in the package. The package is pretty decently packed too, so it doesn't look too bad. So, all right, I was looking for this. It has a cover, which again is kind of nice because you don't want your property to get ruined, right? So it has this little cover right here, which, you know, you can stick it in there, obviously. Neoprene cover, Insta360 says right here. You got some paperwork, some stickers in there. Let's see what else. Little clogged to clean the lens and stuff like that. That's pretty beneficial probably. And we got a charger right here. Wow, what a mess. What a mess to get to this point, right? So let me make sure I have everything out. All right, everything is out of the box, and this is actually what we have. We have this camera right here, which again, it looks pretty good. It looks really, really nice. Actually, that's the camera, right? We have the charger right here. We got obviously some paperwork. We have the memory card. We have this container to protect the camera, and we have a little wrapping thing to clean the lens, right? So that's pretty much what we have in the camera, or in the box with the camera, and that's pretty much what you get so far.